Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. In an exclusive interview to Prudent, Lokayukt Santosh Hegde says letter is sent to PM to investigate all charges against Jan Lokpal panel. Hegde alleges that government wants to send the panel home. Justice Hegde certifies Goa Lokayukt bill to be one of the best, suggests more modifications, advises check on outflow of money from the system. Public Accounts Committee gives stern direction to Mines Department and Police on backdrop of Kavre crisis. Kavre people meet Parrikar decide to carry on with the agitation. Trucks at Sangay burned on wee hours of Monday. Truck owners are blank about the culprit. And Movin Gudino boys win All India T20 Championship trophy. Movin Gudino boy ride on Devidas Kolkar's 94. And now the news in detail. Jan Lokpal Samiti has asked Prime Minister to investigate into all allegations against its member. Lokayukt of Karnataka and member of Jan Lokpal Samiti Santosh Hegde revealed this in an exclusive interview with Prudent. He alleged that government wants to derail the process and wants to send the whole panel home.
Now we are writing a letter today. The letter must have gone in, no? To Prime Minister and to the Chief Justice of India, saying please appoint a high-level committee and look into all these allegations that they made. If I think it is true or not, take any action against us.
Once Lokpal says that somebody is guilty, will he be allowed to contest elections?
Yeah, according to me, he should not. Because it's a team of people who are not one Lokpal who is going to find it, you know? It's a team of people. It's better for him to lose one round of election, rather not contest one round of election, than contest then found guilty out. But at the point of time, I felt they didn't wanted the committee to go on at all. They wanted the whole thing to be derailed.
Do you want to say that they wanted the panel to go back home?
Yes, they didn't wanted the any discussion to go on. When the President of the party says that I am against it and it should not be done, how can a General Secretary of the party do it? There should be some action taken against him.
Why do you think there are so many conflicts between the committee, the panel and the government?
Easy, very simple. Who does this act affect? Does it affect the members of the Jan Lokpal committee? Does it affect the common man? Does it affect anybody other than the government servant and politicians in power? It's only against them. Naturally, all the controversies.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Justice Santosh Hegde says Goa's Lokayukta bill is one of the best bill ever drafted, but he says it requires modification as it has some deficiencies. Justice Hegde also said that there is an urgent need to keep a check on the outflow of money from the system.
Former Supreme Court Judge and present Lokayukt of Karnataka, Justice Santosh Hegde was in Goa to share his views on institution of Lokayukt. Highlighting the need for a Lokayukt in Goa, Justice Hegde commended that the Goa Lokayukt bill was one of the best, but also pointed out that it requires some modifications.
The investigation of a corruption case cannot be done by anybody other than a police. That too, a police not below the rank of a deputy commissioner of police or somebody authorized by the notification of the state government. I don't think while drafting this act it has been taken note of. I would also like that the state government, this act should contain that assets and liabilities of all officers above certain rank in the state to be given to Lokayukta.
Earlier in the day, a brainstorming session on Lokayukta's Goa concerns was held at International Centre. Many eminent people from across various sections of society put forth their viewpoints. Justice Hegde said that there is a need to check the outflow of money from the system.
The Chief Minister of Karnataka, I think he has already had a note on accounts or is going to present a budget of 30 lakhs crores, 30,000 lakh crores. If we take 15 paise that goes to the ultimate project, then it will be only 2 lakh crores that will go to the development of the state. This is the case in every state. Therefore, there is an urgent need for identifying where the money is coming out of the system.
Despite performing a commendable job, Justice will not continue as Lokayukt when his term expires in August this year. As Lokayukta of Karnataka, Justice Hegde has charge-sheeted around 1,400 officials, including police officers, IAS officers and MLAs. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Public Accounts Committee on Monday gave stern directives to stop illegal mines and control mining traffic. Committee has called for closure of illegal mine at Gawane and recover loss incurred by the state. There are also directives to start checkposts in mining areas for controlling mining traffic. Meanwhile, people from Kaura decided to continue their agitation against the uncontrolled mining traffic.
Public Accounts Committee meeting under the chairmanship of Manohar Parrikar was held at Porvorim on Monday. Parrikar and other members of Public Accounts Committee gave stern directives to officials from mines, transport, forest and police departments. The directives of PAC: stop illegal mining trucks from neighbouring states, coordination between mines and police department, action on illegal mine at Gawane, cap on removal of excess ore,
EC क्लियरन्स दितना इतलोच ओर काडपाक जाय, इतलोच ओर जो हे आशिल्लो सर्टिफाय केल्लो तो ते काडून एक्सेस जो जाला त्यो सुद्दां मायनी कितें बंद करपाक जाय, त्यो बंद केला, करपाक जाय त्यो बंद करपाक लायल्या. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनाक लागून तांकां डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय तें डायरेक्शन दिलां, पुलिसांक डायरेक्शन दिवपाचें पुलिसांक डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा.
Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav and South Goa Collector GP Naik were not present for the meeting. Sources say PAC is likely to send a notice to South Goa Collector asking him to attend the next PAC meeting, or else it would be treated as contempt of rules. Later, representatives of Kaure villagers met Manohar Parrikar over the mining, traffic and other issues. Villagers alleged that there were atrocities by the police on women and children during the agitation on Saturday.
पयर एजिटेशन जाल्लें तेन्ना वायलन्स कांयच जालें नासलो आमचे वटच्यान, पूण पोलीस आयले आनी पोलिसांनी सामकी ओरबाडून म्हणटा ते भशेन बायलांक आनी सगळ्या भितर घातलें, भुरग्यां सुद्दां. फक्त ब्लावज आनीक हेजेर घागऱ्याचेर पुलीस स्टेशनार व्हेलें पोलिसांनी. सो तिजी हालत कितें जातली तें फक्त तुमी चिंता. कित्याक एक बायले खातीर आपल्याची इब्रत ती सगळें आसता.
पर्रेकरान सद्या आमकां आश्वासन अशें कांय दिवना की तेणें आपूण सांगता म्हणलां तें आपल्या आयकतले की आपल्याक खबर ना की आपल्या हातीन तितलो पावर ना म्हूण सांगता तो, आनीक तुमचें एजिटेशन तुमी करा म्हणलां, पूण आपूण कांय गॅरंटी दिवंक शकना म्हणलां. आमचें एजिटेशन चालू आसतलें जे पर्यंत आमी सॅटिस्फाय जालें, कित्याक आमकां घरा बसून आमच्या दोळ्यांनी ते आमचे कितें शेतां पाड जाता तें आमच्यान पळोवपा जायना.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.